so beautiful. I never knew somewhere like this existed.
You never
I never knew. Apart from when you told me Ayi Mensa Park, I was like, what is Ayi Mensa Park? In fact, I expected to see like a park, like a normal park. But when I came, I was like, wow. Like the architecture, everything is so much on point.
I'll say, welcome to
Ghana. Make Africa home again. Africa home again, baby. Make Africa home again. Africa home again, baby. Africa home again. Africa home again, baby. Africa home again. Africa home again, baby. See, I'm a natural, and I'm a natural. I got an afro, making a black pro. They try to say that my black was a natural. Hell no, we all came from a black hole.
Wow.
No,
I only thought the nicest places were like Transvaal, this place. Yeah, I never knew that we had. No.
Like, this is what I've been telling my Africans, that it's time for them to come back home.
Yes, they really have to.
Have you seen the people that are meeting here? It seems that all the people that live here.
Amaya's fans. Yeah, his fans are like, oh Maya, wow, I watched your videos. Wow.
I watch my videos too. Oh man, nice. They say Corona, we can't shake hands and all that. How long have you been living here? A month. And you enjoy the estate? You're Ghanaian. And then you afford to live in a place like this. But people are saying that we live on trees, we live on... It's a joke. What are you going to tell people who think Africans don't live in places like this? They should just watch out for us. I love that, bro. That's a simple statement, man. It was nice meeting you, bro. Most of them live.
Most of them are, and they're coming back.
Like, I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm here to stay because of the video, and they live here.
Oh, wow. And the owner of this place is a Ghanaian, which is mind-busting, like, wow.
You know, they got so many things in here. That
so many. There's even a park for kids, like, it's really beautiful. So Maya, what do you think about this place so far?
For me, I think this place is world class. You know, you can find places like this almost. I've been to so many countries and I've seen so many of these apartments in so many African countries. So I believe that Africa is really winning.
We are, literally.
It's time for us to show this to the world to know that, hey, what they've been thinking about Africa is not like that.
True.
You are based in Nigeria.
Yeah, I'm Nigerian. I'm based here in Ghana. Like,
I forgot to introduce you. What's your name?
Tiffany Weka.
Tiffany from Nigeria.
From Nigeria, yes.
Now you are
based in Ghana, yes, and I'm loving it.
You're enjoying Ghana. Amazing. But you know, like I believe that this place is world class.
Yes, like I'd rather relocate to another African country than abroad because the opportunities here, like look at how foreigners come to Africa to build.
And then
can you go to Africa? Can you go to America to build it? If you build somewhere like this in America, white people come and patronize you.
Wow, I can't believe Ghana is beautiful like this. Look at that, it looks like America or UK. Wow, this is wonderful in Africa. I wish I lived a place like this. Oh, God bless Africa. Look, we got everything. It's nice. Oh, wow. This is wonderful. Look at the Ghana. Wow. Can you see the place like this in Europe? I don't think so. Even if you see the place like this in Europe, we cannot afford to buy it. Oh, this is wonderful. Guys, let's move back home. Home sweet home. This is the place to live. Look at that. Wow, wonderful. You soon go back home. Home sweet home. Look at the securities. CCTVs. Everything. You got it. Wow. Wonderful. God bless Africa.
this place is
Africa is beautiful.
I'd rather buy a house here than
Why we are here?
because here.
Come on, guys. Let's prepare to go back home. Home sweet home. I'm going tomorrow. Bye.
I asked the guy how many houses are remaining here. He was telling me 6 houses remaining.
Just 6.